Of the Arts today, and I kept commenting about how almost breezy it was. It was such a comfortable temperature. We weren't sweating it out there, so
yeah,
that was nice for once.
Yeah, it was a little overcast, no doubt about it.
Little hazy.
A little hazy. Brilliant sunny skies, they're nice, but it's nice to get a shade.
Some relief.
Some relief. The clouds also providing a cap to those temperatures, but believe it or not, we still made it to the lower 80s. 82 the high in Fort Myers today, 80 degrees in Naples. Guess what the average high is? 74 this time of the year. So many of us well above average, and guess what? This trend is going to continue into the days ahead. By the middle of the week, we'll actually be close to 10 degrees above the average. So yeah, it's going to be a warm stretch for us. If you're really thinking about or looking for some cooler air here in Southwest Florida, maybe about 8 to 10 days, we'll get a cold front to move through. That'll maybe do something to our temperatures. We're watching a cold front that's stationary now, moving through the deep south. This isn't going to make it to Southwest Florida, but it is providing some active weather, severe thunderstorms, even tornadoes ongoing in through portions of Oklahoma and Texas. Meanwhile, just to the north, an icy storm is brewing out there towards, you can see it, Wichita, all the way up towards Iowa, portions of the Midwest, and that's going to be certainly a headache for those guys. Meanwhile, for us, high pressure remaining in charge, giving us that easterly wind that's warming us up. And guess what? That continues into tomorrow. So a very similar pattern, not a whole lot of changes expected. Doppler radar going to look pretty much like this, with the exception of maybe a few sprinkles out there on the East Coast. So for tonight, no real issues. The only caveat to that would probably be some patchy fog by morning. So just watch out for that, especially if you're heading out early on your MLK Day. So this week, what to note, looking pretty good out there for MLK Day. Of course, the parade's going on in Naples. Should be a nice day to be outdoors. Staying warm this week, though, like I mentioned, I think we'll stay on the above side of 80 degrees, and rain chances with an easterly flow can't be completely eliminated, but overall only about 10% or less here each and every day. Take a look at the temperatures now, upper 60s, lower 70s near the coast. 57, that's a broken sensor in Marco Island, not quite that cool. By your Monday morning, we're all down to the low 60s, and by afternoon, sun and clouds, highs will climb to the low 80s. So yeah, we're in the above average territory once again. And with the easterly breeze picking up, yeah, we'll notice more clouds, kind of like what we saw today, a little bit of sunshine mixed in. A stray sprinkle can't be ruled out, but I think that'll be mainly for our interior counties. Certainly not looking for as much rain as you're seeing there on the map. So the trend will be for high temperatures to stay above average. By Wednesday, we're up to 85. There's our average at 74. But for boaters tomorrow, looking pretty good. Here's your Ingman marine boating forecast. Winds mainly out of the east at about 10 knots, seas 1 to 2 feet. And a light chop. And to the next 7 days we go. Take a look. 81 Monday. The trend continues. We're up to 85 by Wednesday. More sunshine by the middle of the week, but the southerly winds kick in, and that'll help to warm us up. So all the way through next weekend, our highs in the low to mid 80s. Lisa.